Hi there! In this video we will solve this 5th grade Math Olympiad question. Let's read the question. The figure shown on the right consists of 7 squares. Square A is the biggest one, square B is the smallest one. How many squares B can be filled in square A? So how many square B fits into square A is our question. So this is a ratio question also, so we can divide them to each other, so we will find. So let's begin with the dimensions. So we are given 2, so this dimension is 2, this dimension is 2, this is 2, this dimension is also 2. So if this is a square, that means this is a unit square, and this is 3 and this is 1, so that means this square has 4, this side length is 4, and this is 1, that means side length of A, square A, is 5. So what is the area of this square here? That is 5 times 5 equals 25. And what is the area of B, the square B area? So it is obviously area is 1 times 1 equals 1. So we have 25 square B's fits into square A. So what is it? Basically we divide the area of square A to area of square B, that is 25 over 1. It is 25 squares. 25 squares B. So this is our answer. I hope you liked the question and enjoyed the solution. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.